Hi, welcome back to the channel. I am PokeSly-AZ. Hit that like, share, subscribe, and stay hydrated. We moved up one more new subscriber. We're at 1,081. Let's go. Getting close to 1,100. Thank you for following. If you're liking these shorts and videos, please consider subscribing for more in the future. Let's get to it. Let's open. This is from one vending machine, and this is from another day vending machine. Let's go with Mega Evolution. Guess the energy. I'm gonna guess. Let's go with this pack. Yesterday was Grass Energy. Let's go with Fighting. Steel it is. Steal your girl. Basic energy. We have a Gimming Ghoul. Sizzlipede coming out of the sewer. Trying to be like that monk. The band card. Nuzleaf. Sandslash, OG 151, Sand Attack, Marshadow, and Grass, Goldingo, looks like Silver Surfer, Bug Spray, Reverse Iron Defender, another Band Sizzlipede, and we have a Klotzer. No hit in that Mega Evolution, but we did find some packs. Let's go, guys. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Remember, stay hydrated. Let's get to 1,100 subscribers. Let's get to 10 likes. Let's go. Peace.